G'day. I've been 3D printing for some years now, but my printer has always been right next to my PC. Now I have a printer which is out in the shed and it's difficult to keep an eye on. My grandson turned up today with an app on his phone that allows him to send an image from his phone to his iPad, say. So anyway, we've set this up using an old iPad to keep track on the 3D printer. And the image from the iPad gets sent either to my PC or my new iPad, or in fact my phone, but I won't bother with that. It just allows me to see that the print build is taking place okay, that the filament is not run out and is working properly, and basically just allows me to see what's going on while I'm working on my PC inside. So rather a brilliant solution that didn't cost us very much. So there you go, gives you an idea what you can achieve. Thank you for watching.